Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make lemon ginger tea with a punch of turmeric and pepper powder. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy lemon ginger tea with turmeric and pepper powder mix in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To begin with, let's make the turmeric pepper powder mix. For this, add a piece of dried turmeric to a mortar and pestle. Grind it to a fine powder. Then to this, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorn and grind it to a fine powder. Now we have the turmeric pepper powder mix ready. With this quantity, we have about a tablespoon of turmeric pepper powder mix. Now let's go make the lemon ginger tea. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground turmeric pepper powder mix, a piece of crushed ginger, and juice of half lemon. This is about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. It's been a minute now and a lemon ginger tea with turmeric pepper powder mix is nicely boiling. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. Let this boil for another minute. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you prefer, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this lemon ginger tea with turmeric pepper powder mix is going to taste better even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger, lemon, pepper and turmeric has come together very well. The color of the tea is nice and golden brown. It's now time to off the flame. Strain the lemon ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. You can store this turmeric pepper powder mix in an airtight container and enjoy it for 2 months time. This drink boosts your immunity, so do try this lemon ginger tea with turmeric pepper powder mix at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.